Well, that's not very good. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started. So, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Go ahead and make sure my mic's not too loud. There we go. Check, check. All right. Yeah, you don't get the pleasure of seeing my beautiful face today. Sorry, my webcam is kind of weird this morning, actually. See? So, yeah, we're just going to go without it. So, basically, let's go ahead and have a look at where we're at this morning. So, it looks like we closed out yesterday at $780 profit, and we made 97.05 for the entire day, which brought us down to a daily ROI of 0.43%, which is still pretty good. Uh, Still putting us in that range of 19% expected ROI by January 1st of 2023, which is $5,854.83. Let's take a look at our open positions. As you can see, we're currently showing a negative $400 unrealized profit for our open positions. So I think we're going to do some culling today. We're actually going to get rid of some of these positions. So let's go ahead and take a look here and get the most recent. Okay, so this one's at negative 7%. Let's take a look at that one. Yeah, we definitely want to get rid of this because if you look at the close of the day before yesterday, it closed at negative 1%, and then it dropped by 5% for this day, for yesterday. So let's take a look at the news on this particular one. What was it, RRC? Yeah, RRC. Range Resources Corporation. Investors will be pleased with their fantastic 457% return over the last 3 years. Any press releases? Third quarter results. 25% of the budget. That's good. natural gas. Third quarter results continue to showcase the resilience of range businesses, range competitive cost structure, low relative capital intensity. Liquids operationality and thoughtful hedging allowed us to generate strong full cycle margins despite challenged natural gas prices. So I'm not really seeing anything here that would indicate that we should pull out other than its previous performance. Check the news on this. Investors are inspired to be stock pickers by the potential to find the big winners. Not every pick can be a winner, but when you pick the right stock, you can win big. For example, Range Resources Corporation. Share price is up a whopping 449% in the last 3 years, a handsome return for long-term holders. In the last week, the share price is up 20.1%. Well, maybe. I don't see any problem here. Maybe we won't get rid of it. Short term, trading sideways. Midterm, it's going up. That's 6 weeks to 9 months. Long term, 9 months plus, it's going up. So 2 weeks to 6 weeks. 6 weeks. I think we'll be all right. Yeah, it's undervalued. I think we'll be all right. We'll stick with that one. Let's see what happens today when that one comes, when the stock market opens. All right, so let's take a look at BHVN. That one has just been a straight drop. 6%, 6%, over 6% in one day. Let's take a look at the news on that one. Biohaven Limited. Still says that this is a good choice. When it comes to short-term investing or trading, they say the trend is your friend, and there's no denying that this is the most profitable strategy, but making sure of the sustainability of a trend to profit from, it is easier said than done. The trend often reverses before exiting the trade, leading to a short-term capital loss for investors. So for a profitable trade, one should confirm factors such as sound fundamentals, positive earnings, estimate revisions, etc., that could keep the momentum in the stock alive. Our recent price strength screen, which is created on a unique short-term trading strategy, could be pretty useful in this regard. This predefined screen makes it really easy to shortlist the stocks that have enough fundamental strength to maintain the recent uptrend. Also, the screen passes only the stocks that are trading in the upper portion of their 52-week high low range, which is usually an indicator of bullishness. Biohaven's one of the stocks that passed through this screen. This is why it's a solid choice. Solid price increase over a period of 12 weeks. Not enough to look at the price change for around 3 months, as it doesn't reflect any trend reversal that might have happened in a shorter time frame. It's important for a potential winner to maintain the price trend. Currently trading at 97.9% of its 52-week high, saying it could be on the verge of a breakout. All right, so that one looks good too. I think we're going to hold, see what happens here. Take a look at the next one. Okay, so let's bought that twice. Let's look at ACGL. Oh, that's not bad. It dropped by 4.9, 5.3, 0.4% in one day. We'll just keep an eye on it. MPC. That's another one that's not too bad. There was quite a dip 2 days ago. 1.6 down to 4.7. Let's take a look at the news on this one. Marathon Petroleum. Okay, that makes sense. Safe drivers. Best oil refinery stocks to buy. Okay, I think we're actually pretty good. These positions, yeah, they have had some losses, but you know, long term, I think we're going to be fine. They are, however, going to wrap up some of our cash until they hit our mark, but I think we'll be all right. Market opens in 15 minutes. Okay. EDU is the one that continues to give us problems. Granted, it's not much of a change, but we can't get rid of it for some reason. Looking at the movers for the past 24 hours. Looks like ZS has gone up $2.50 a share. Amazon's gone up 81 cents a share. Fastenal has gone up 18 cents a share. NRG has gone up 17. Spotify 16. DoorDash 16. Look at all the transactions we closed yesterday. Let's see. We closed an October's transaction yesterday of PDD for a $35 profit, which is a 1% profit. Looking at November's positions. Close 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 positions, all with at least 1% profit. Out of 150 positions, we have closed over half of those, 79, and we still have 71 open. Looking at our daily balances, we are averaging $130 a day, and we have paid 12 cents in trade costs to Alpaca, which is the reg fee and the TAF fee. Usually it comes out to about 2 cents a day. Annual ROI projected is still 115%. And now just to wait till the market opens. Let's see what happens. And while we're waiting for the market to open, remember this is the Master Trade Tools Autotrader is an algorithmic auto trading or auto stock trading application that connects to your already pre-existing Alpaca trade account. If you don't have an Alpaca trade account, you can set one up, and then this application will connect to it, and it will trade for you. It will watch your stocks for you. It will sell for you, and it will also send you monthly and weekly reports. This application was developed with the intent to allow those that have busy lives and don't have time to do stock research to go and still make a passive income while holding down a full-time job, taking care of kids, or whatever else is, keeping them busy throughout the day. There is a subscription cost to it. Currently, starting off, you get 90 days free, and you can try it out. And if you like it, then you can continue, and there will be a 30-day or $30 a month subscription fee. But we're probably going to lower that to maybe around $10 a month subscription fee to start with as a special. And we have a guaranteed target value of 18% annually that we expect you to receive profit-wise on your investment. If you do not receive that, then you can either cancel and your fees or your subscription costs are on us, or you can get a free year of subscription costs. Morning. I am.
Good morning, people.
My wife says good morning. All right, looks like we have 8 minutes until the market opens. I expect it to open high and come down and then go back up midday. That's what it's been doing. And I will be right back. All right, we are back and 4 minutes until market open. Looks like there's been a little bit of pre-market activity. Currently, we don't do any pre-market trades. Not to say that we won't in the future. We could, but there's just not very much liquidity pre-market. Okay. So it looks like our unrealized has dropped by $30 since I came in this morning. We could potentially close out all of our positions right now and still be with a realized profit of $348.32, as you can see right here. But I don't want to do that. Okay, love you. And you can see it's still jumping around. Now it's at negative 420. Go ahead and read this. As a reminder here, please do not buy or sell on your dashboard at Alpaca, on your Alpaca trade account, because this application connects to your trade account, and doing so will throw the accounting off. If you do want to sell positions early, you can do that just by going to Open Positions page and clicking on Close Out Position. It will ask for confirmation, and then it will close out the position. The reasoning behind this and not doing it on the Alpaca website is because we create unique strings. I hear you. That's my dog. We create unique client ID strings when we sell, which is what we use to balance everything off on the transactions. That's how we do multiple transactions with one stock symbol. All right, 8:30 or at 9:30, market just opened. We should be seeing some movements. Like I said, it's probably going to start high. There's going to be some sell-off, creating a dip. So we started with 30,354 equity. There we go. Dropped by about $25, which brought, yep. Let's take a look at those stocks that we were looking at that were down to -7%. Oh, now they're down to -8. RSG is nearing the sell. ANF is nearing the sell. EDU is coming up a little bit. Looking at our cash value, looks like we had a sell-off this morning. We have 1,800 in our cash account, but we have 790 profit, so technically we have 1,000 cash. Love you.
I'm gonna go to Marshall's too.
Okay.
The money we have is gone. Just we always spend it.
Okay.
I gotta get presents for the baby shower.
Yeah, I know.
I forgot all about it. All right, I love you.
Love you.
Don't be mad at me.
I'm not.
You better not be. I hate to have to beat you in front of all your watchers.
All my zero watchers.
Yep.
Yep.
All right. I shall return.
Okay. So looks like I said we had some sell-off this morning. We've gone from 790 or 780 profit up to 790. Let's see what those were. $5 and $3. ZS and Amazon. Told you Amazon was going to do good. 1.5% on Amazon and 1.2% on ZS. ACLX is getting ready to close for a $7 profit. But we have a stop loss of $45.73, and it is currently at $45.95. So it has not created a sell signal yet. Couple movers in the past 24 hours. UNH has gone up $1.05 a share. BHVN has gone up 76 cents a share. ACLX has gone up 65 cents a share. That's the one that's getting ready to close. NRG has gone up 60 cents a share. Spotify 26 cents, ANF 26 cents, PGR 23 cents. RSG is getting near the sell signal. Looks like it's not going to be a very good day. And just so you know, we use a simple moving average trading strategy. Our projected value percentage of ROI by January 1st of 2023 has dropped to 17.3%, which brings our annual projected to 100.89. Looks like there's been a couple more sells. I'm getting closer to our stop loss. Looks like there has been a change in E to U. RRCs dropped by 1%. Let's see if there's any new news on RRC. Nope, still the same thing. They can't all be green days. It'd be nice if they could, though. All right, we're going to stay on here for another 15 minutes. See if there's a rebound. Looks like it bought a position. Yep. We have made $9.92 this morning. Let's see. Huh. WeWork files for bankruptcy. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some more coffee. I will leave this up so you can watch. And we're back. Looks like they're converging a little bit. That is good. I think we should probably put this chart above this one. This is a better indicator of price movement. If you think that's a good idea, go ahead and put it in the comments. Let me know. I would still love to put this up against other people's algorithmic trading applications and see how it compares. The difference between this and ones that use AI is I don't use AI and it doesn't take all that processing power because I'm not using artificial intelligence and running models and constantly evolving those models, which uses a major amount of CPU processing power. So I have thought about doing a sentiment analysis, adding sentiment analysis into my stock selection. Um, but I haven't done that yet. Yeah, they're pulling apart again. Staying pretty steady. Not big price swings. Ooh, there we go. This one, ACLX, is getting ready to close. Stop losses have been initiated for LRN. EDU's making some movement again. Starting to see a little bit more green. And we have closed. The other one. LRN is getting ready to close. 52.17. We're averaging 2.2 days to average time to close from open to close. And you can see where we sell or buy, and you can see where we sell. All right, we are closing in on the hour. And just as I said, we had a dip in the beginning, and it's coming back out. Slowly but surely. All right, so that is going to do it for today. Remember to check out the Master Trade Tools Autotrader at mtt-autotrader.mastertradetools.com. The address is in the description of this video. And set up an alpaca account at alpaca.markets. And then sign up for an account with us and link the Autotrader to that account. After you sign up and create an account with us, the instructions are pretty self-explanatory with visuals. Remember, the Autotrader is for those that have busy lives and don't have time to do the research for stock trading, or maybe not be familiar with stock trading or how to do it or how to get involved. This takes the guesswork out of it and allows those to have busy lives to continue those busy lives and still make a passive income on the side. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until tomorrow, happy trading.